PayConfirm allows you to sign electronic documents and confirm any operation in digital channels. All it takes is a single tap on your smartphone. With this feature, your customer can approve any type of documents, such as a contract with a bank or insurance company or an agreement with a supplier of goods and services. Once the data is entered, an electronic document will be automatically created and submitted for approval. This electronic document can be digitally signed by pressing the Sign It button. A user will receive a push notification that will pop up on his device about the need to confirm the electronic document. Once the user receives this notification, he activates it. He then selects the attachment button in the PayConfirm mobile application to review the contents of the transmitted electronic document. After the customer has reviewed the electronic document that is displayed to him on his smartphone and he is satisfied with its contents, he presses Confirm button. A mobile transaction authentication signature, in short MTAS, will be generated for the electronic document. The confirmed electronic document is sent back to the bank to have the value of MTAS validated and for further processing.